ఈరోజు
నువ్వు ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ 6 అడిగి 10 అడుగుతున్నావు.
We are very. Can we start again?
What snack disappears fastest from the pack?
వాట్?
థింగ్స్ సో
So it's obviously work, more work, more work. One thing is Parmesh. He gives everyday morning coffee. Second thing I like is tea. 4 o'clock he gives me tea again. Third thing, I love Parmesh because he provides food every day at 1:30. That's the 3 things that I love in real life. Okay, 3 things I like in our offices, our workspace, and my colleagues, and someone working with someone I really know well.
Yeah, like working space. Again, I like the cabins which you are provided. Again, like dining place.
Our workspace and small amount of people and also the work we are doing.
This ambience we get is very relaxing, and inside also the work environment is crazy and it is very peaceful to work in this office. So this 2 things, and the third thing is might be the tech lead. She is cute.
I think the workspace and the people around you. And the other thing is it's nearby. Travel.
Food, time, spending time now, and work.
ఫస్ట్లీ దిస్ అమేజింగ్ వ్యూ వీ హ్యావ్ హియర్ అండ్ సెకండ్ వుడ్ బి ఫుడ్. థర్డ్ ఐ వుడ్ సే మై మార్కెటింగ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ పీపుల్, ఎస్పెషల్లీ Navneet and Yashwant.
So it's like a lot of people, like it might be Raghu sir, it might be Yashwant, Harshit, Rishika, Ram. I mean, like not Suswaram sir. There's a lot of other people. So if you consider all of them, it would be 20 people, 20 things which I like.
Free food, free snacks, and a lot of ownership to our work that we do.
It's actually week offs because we love to work in their life, so we don't want to take week offs. There was a point where we were lacking with people, but now we have overcome it.
Sometimes it's very cold here. The AC people put, it's very cold in here.
So it depends on people. So most probably like chips, chocolates, and cakes. That's banana chips and potato chips.
Like tea.
Chips maybe.
I contribute a lot on stealing coffee, so a lot of coffee will go down.
So first day in July, it was very normal. I came on Saturday. It was actually a working day for them. So I came, I had a discussion for 1 hour, and then after from Monday I started working on. That day, 1 hour was literally, I was like, when I entered, like everyone was staring at me. Like I was like, what is going on? So I was very scared. So, yeah.
My first day at Relay was a bit strange for me, but after spending much time, I felt relaxed, and due to all my colleagues and friends being here, we had fun and all. So it was more like a fun day.
Yeah, it's fun. We have orientation day. Like it is a family with all the colleagues, and we enjoyed it.
It was good connecting with new people and experiencing new things.
I was kind of overwhelmed when I came. So the first few hours were kind of tense, but after that it was normal. I talked to my colleags and it was fun.
I was pretty excited because I always wanted to work in a startup. So yeah, it's been pretty good.
Excited. I couldn't sleep before night because I was excited. How is it gonna turn out and all.
Exciting. And అతను ఏమంటాము చాలా గ్రోత్ రాబోతుంది అనే ఒక ఫీలింగ్ ఉంటుంది చూడు, సెన్సింగ్ ద సక్సెస్.
As it's my first job, I was so excited. And people are more friendly. It's like my second home.
I learned. I'm from tech background, so I learned new technologies here. So I'm happy to be a part of the life.
Me, multitasking.
Handling multiple tasks at a time. Exploring new ways in our work. I've learned to be a lot more productive than my usual speed, and I did expect that thing coming into this office, so that was quite expected.
How you stay truthful to a customer. In sales, you have to stay truthful. There were other, I've been in other companies, they had sales too. They were like, you have to push sales. It doesn't matter how you do it. You have to push sales and bring in customers and complete your tasks.
Using technology with real estate.
Innate, and like I learned a lot. Honestly, I learned a lot from the starting of different technologies. I'm not a tech person. They made me tech lead, so I had to learn a lot of things to implement stuff in terms of implementing AI and everything as well.
Provides foods.
So actually, I want every intern or every new joinee to know about what Relay does and how do we scale, and I want them to learn more things and involve in each and every section and all. So people joining in Relay, please note that we have a big pantry wherein which we get all type of foods, like that may be either from diet perspective or snack or anything. So don't worry, please join Relay. We have wide ranges of snacks.
But it is very nice here. It is very peaceful, it is productive, and no one is on the top of your head. Everyone is open to ideas, everyone is welcome to things. So it is good. The environment is overall good over here.
That don't be scared, be yourself. Yeah, everything will work out fine.
Parmesh, my office boy, because his work looks very good.
Swap with any marketing team. Like I love to explore that thing, how Wizard did our.
That is such a question you ask for an intern who's been here for 4 days. No one.
Maybe Raghu sir, because he's the CEO and I want to see how will they handle as a CEO.
Oh yeah, I want to actually. Yeah, HR.
Yeah, it would be HR because I would grant myself leaves, work from homes, everything. I would give myself double salary, everything.
Rely for right home for real ones.
So Relay is Relay for Right Home. It is unbiased property suggestion company, advisory company. So wherein which we have 45 plus data points, and we have all RERA registered properties with us. And people who are seriously searching for homes, please welcome to Relay, where you'll be finding your right home.
It's a place where we deal with the real data, accuracy, and moreover with transparency and everything.
You are coming to a company where you are not bluffing anything. You are talking based on the data.
If you are looking to buy a home, not just any home, but the right home, then Relay is your answer.
If you want a home, then Relay is the only way. No. If you want a right home, if you want to buy a home and regret, it's up to you.
Yeah, if you're looking to buy a house in Hyderabad and don't know like how to figure out the whole process, and if you're scared that brokers will scam you, come to Relay. We'll help you find a right home.
Hey, no, any questions 6 and 10 I would have kept it as Rishika, but Rishika AI, Rishika Genie. So likewise, I think the branding would be more better if you frame it with my name. It's my suggestion, please. Right home.
Nothing. It's good on itself. But what kind of questions are you asking?
Nothing. Relay is good.
I would say homies.
యాక్చువల్లీ నేమింగ్ సెషన్ అప్పుడు రిలై కాకుండా ప్రాప్ సెర్చ్ అట్లాంటిది ఒకటి అనుకుండే. నేను సర్చ్ చేసిన నేమ్ అప్పట్లో ఒక చిన్న MVP కూడా బిల్డ్ చేసి సైక్ చూపించిన ఆప్కెట్ అట్లాంటిది సంథింగ్ పెట్టిన, గుర్తులేదు. బట్ యా, ఇఫ్ నాట్ రిలై దట్ వుడ్ బి ద నేమ్ విచ్ ఐ థింక్ ఆఫ్.
So actually we do have employee recognition thing. So in the first month I received that thing. So I feel it as a proudest moment ever.
Addressing many people and have taking multiple interviews or 30 interviews at a stretch.
Yeah, converting my ideology into business, like they are helping me to how to convert my ideas into business.
Proudest moment, yeah, joining Relay again. Pacing through campus.
Cracking jokes with the HR. Yeah. She's good. She's talkative. She kind of keeps it mutual, so it's nice.
It's obviously our it's obviously our boss. It's Douglas. If he's not there, then Relay couldn't be here, right? So I would have thanked
Namaneet, helping me a lot to learn the new technology and the new things.
Rishika, because she's our team leader and she assigns our work and she explains our work.
It should be Elsam because he's been very helpful. No matter what kind of a doubt you ask, he's going to reply to it, and he will be very, humble about it, and he will answer good. So I think Elsam.
I'd say Harshit because he's taught us very much a lot about Relay and how Relay works. I think he's done a great job.
It's Mr. Navneet. You'll be getting his photo here. So he taught us everything about marketing. And whenever I come to the office, I just look at him and I get inspired to work. And
కెమెరా